Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Hello, my name is Syed Rahman. I'm student of grade 8 Ideal Indian School, Doha, Qatar. So far, this is my 50th video on from the chapters Mensuration, Algebraic Expressions and Identities, and Exponents and Powers. Please, and again I request you all to subscribe my YouTube channel and comment me how do I improve all these educational videos. Your comments are valuable for me. Now today we are going to continue our question number 1 from exercise 12.2. The question is express the following numbers in standard form. So in our previous video we have done the first three sub questions, and in this video we will solve the last two questions, fourth and fifth. Now the fourth question is 0.00000000837. Let's count the zeros here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so we have 9 zeros here, and we have to look for nine places after after when we cancel the zeros. Okay, now the question number 4 is 9 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And in the last we have 3 digits, 8, 3, 7. Now we will cancel all these zeros, but before that we have to find where we have to put the decimal point. Now here's the decimal point, so we'll take 9 places after the decimal point here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we'll put the decimal point here, but after cancelling all these zeros. So first cancel all these zeros. 8, 3, 7 into, now we'll write 1 and write the whole zeros, all the 9 zeros after the 1 for cancelling all of them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. By, again we are going to write the same number which we wrote here. The same number we'll write as the denominator also. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now the next step is to cancel all these zeros. And now here we have 837, and as we converted this 837 in the decimal, we got 8.37. 8.37 into, then 1 by 10 raised to the power 9. Now here we have 9 zeros, that's why we will take the power, the number of zeros, the power, which is equal to 9. So 10 raised to the power 9. Now the last step here which we have to do is 8.37. Now we'll add, if we multiply it with 1, then we have to do a lot of calculations. So that's why, and the second thing, the next step here which we have to do, 8.37 into 1 by 10 raised to the power 9. This 10 raised to the power 9 will transpose it as the numerator by using this property, a raised to the power 1 by a raised to the power n is equals to a raised to the power minus n. We are going to use this property reversely. So 8.37 into, now this 10 raised to the power 9 will go as the numerator and will become positive, negative and will have negative exponent. So this base, the base 10 will have negative exponent when we take it as the numerator. 10 raised to the power minus 9. So this is the whole, this is the answer for the fourth one. And now I'll erase this and go for the fifth one, the last one. This is our last question for the fifth one. For the question number 1, which is the sub question number 5. Now here the question is 3186 0 0 0 0 0 and zeros. Now let's count how many zeros we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now here we have 7 zeros. But here we don't have any decimal point, so that's why we'll include these 3 numbers also. Now first number, always in our third question we had the for example 2, and here we had 0. But in this question we have 3 and 1. Here in our third question we had 0, and in our fifth question we have 1. So what we'll do here, we are going to use the same method in which we use for the third one. The same method we are going to use for the fifth one also. No matter even if we have any number here, so 0 or 1 or 3 or 5, it doesn't matter. So we'll start counting from the last one. Now then, when we add these 3 digits here, so 7 plus 3 equals 10. So this 10, so this whole will be the places, the digits where the digits, the 10 digits. Now we have to find where we will put the decimal point. But here we have 10 digits, and here we have only one place left. And when we count the places, we get the point here. So that's why 3.186, then write all the 7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 into. Now here after the decimal points we have 10 digits. So that's why we'll take 10 and write 10 raised to the power 10. Because here we have 10 zeros, that's why we wrote the power as 10. And we are not going to use a method in the method which we use for the fourth one and the other excluding 3 and 5. So only 3 and 5 we used a different method, which was this method. And in this method we are not doing any calculations. Only we'll find the decimal point where we have to put the decimal point and write 10. In any question we have to write 10. It doesn't matter about any question. So if any question comes like this without any decimal point, so we'll find the decimal point, and then we'll write into the multiplication sign, and then we'll write 10. Then we'll write the number of the digits after the point. We'll count the digits, how many digits are there after the point, and then we will write the value of that as the power. Then this was the answer for the first one, and we'll go for the question number 2 in our next video, inshallah. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.